In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cart in Webflow. Start by opening your project in Webflow Designer. Once you're in, look to the left toolbar and open the Add panel. Make sure you're on the Elements tab. Then scroll to the e-commerce section. Find the cart component and click to insert it onto your page. Webflow will place it for you automatically, and you can move it later if needed. This component includes the cart button and the cart drawer, so you get everything you need in one go. With the cart selected, use the on-canvas controls to open and close it. Click Open Cart to preview the drawer and confirm where it appears and how it looks with your current styles. Then click Close Cart to return to your layout. Toggling these as you work helps you see changes in real time. Next, adjust the cart's position. In the component settings, choose where the drawer should appear. Select Left to have it slide in from the left side of the screen. This is a great option if your primary navigation sits on the right, or if you want a more app-like feel. Now refine the animation. In the same settings, set the easing to ease out quad for a smooth, natural finish to the motion. If you see a general easing control as well, apply the same easing there for consistency. Then tweak the duration so the animation feels snappy but not abrupt. Something short and responsive tends to work best for carts. You can always fine-tune it after a quick preview. Enable the option to open when product is added. This ensures the cart drawer appears automatically the moment an item goes in, which is a proven way to reduce friction and keep shoppers informed. Before you preview, check the cart's different states. Use the state drop-down to view default, empty, and error. Default shows a typical filled cart. Empty shows the messaging and buttons when nothing's inside. And error helps you style what users see if something goes wrong. Cycle through each state and make sure the typography, spacing, and colors match your site's design system. When everything looks good, click Preview to test the interaction and animation timing in the browser preview. Interact with the cart button and drawer to confirm it opens from the left, uses the easing you chose, and behaves as expected. Finally, click Publish to push your changes live to your selected domain. Once published, visit your live site and try the cart there as well, just to confirm everything is working in a real environment. And that's it. Your Webflow cart is added, styled, and ready to go.